get ready for mains before we start for prelims in December, January. This is what we are convincing students and giving message to all students who come for guidance. So are you also looking for that type of guidance so that you can prepare your mains before you start for prelims? Officially or basically we can say that you have 2.5 months to complete your mains syllabus, and syllabus is very huge. Most of the students will be trying themselves to complete their GS mains by December. And as you know that there are three essentials which we can say that I am prepared for mains now. If you complete those three essentials, first that you should have quality content. Do you have quality content on all GS papers 1, 2, 3, 4? How you will also know that what is quality content? So this can be known by your thorough understanding of any topic on which you may have prepared your notes. At the same time, the second factor is called short notes, which we generally prepare once we have studied the foundation classes. So once we have done our foundation batches related to GS and optional, then we go for preparing short notes. And this is also a trend nowadays that most of the students prepare short notes. Short note is something like a template, you can say, which is nothing but a sort of answer, let's say, because some topics are so predictable that if you have short notes on them, so exactly you can write in your answer. It can be, let's say, that a parliamentary committee. It can be, let's say, self-help groups. It can be, let's say, CAG. So if you have prepared short note, so you know that what to write in intro, what to write in body, what to write in conclusion. And hence you will be able to write a very good answer on that. So that's why short notes have become very important part of your mains preparation. The third factor is called PYQ practice. Nowadays it has become a trend in market that you should have PYQ practices, answer writing on them. You should also have understanding of PYQs. So since 2013 you have to practice PYQs, and then we can say if you have done these three essentials, that quality content, short notes and PYQs practices, then we can say that you are prepared for your mains before you start for your prelims in December, January. And if you have done these three things, so you will be also confident for your prelims, because that will also give lots of knowledge, lots of support for your prelims preparation, and confidence is very important. Then the next question comes is that do we have adequate time that in 2.5 months a student will be able to complete GS papers 1, 2, 3, 4 with quality content, short notes and PYQ practice? It is quite possible if a candidate has optimum utilization of time. At the same time, many students, you know that they try to seek help here and there so that the helps can accelerate their process. So if you want to accelerate your process, calibrate your process, so you can also join that kind of programs which provide you guidance in that three areas: quality content, short notes, PYQ practice. We have also one such program which we call it now MIGP, Men's Intensive Guidance Program. It will be for 2.5 months starting from 14th of October. Each day we have 6 hours class. In that there will be half an hour break, and the classes will go from Monday to Friday. In that, for GS paper second, except IR, I will be taking, and there will be 28 classes multiplied by 3 hours. And for ethics paper, we have 20 classes multiplied by 3 hours. So other papers will be taken by other faculties. So it is a program which can help you in optimum utilization of your time, because many feedbacks we get from the students, and we come to know that students are not able to themselves study. They plan it, but they fail to execute it. Self study in library, at home, so they are procrastinating. बोलते हैं कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, just something is not, let's say that ki they are not able to do, and then let's say ki that result into also lack of confidence. So that feedback you can say, plus when we have guided mains students, just mains finished, so mains students, we realize, we come to know that how students lack in their preparation, that 3 factors they lack. That they lack quality content, they do not have short notes prepared, and they don't have adequate PYQ practice. So in that way, let's say that in 2.5 months, MIGP can help you. We have also some other, let's say that features in that MIGP, like there will be total 15 tests, I guess 15 to 18 tests. In that, let's say GS all paper, means 1, 2, 3, 4, and there will be also essay tests. There will also be 4 essay classes, that 4 essay classes that will guide you on also essay writing. So MIGP is a program which helps you in GS as well as essay. Then let's say PYQ will also be discussed in that classes. PYQ since 2013. In fact, all PYQs since 2013 will be discussed topic wise, section wise, and daily you will be also given 1 to 5 PYQs for that topic for your practice. Each day you are writing 1 to 5 PYQs, at the same time 6 hours of classes. It is helping you accelerate your course completion by December end, and at the end of the day, you can say, when topics are finished, you have also adequate writing practice. That way you can have optimum utilization of your time in 2.5 months. So even it is not that we have a program, that's why we are saying it. Self-study students can also do and complete, provided they every day accelerate themselves. If you are not able to accelerate yourself, calibrate yourself, motivate yourself, so MIGP can do that, and that is how you can have optimum utilization of time by end of December, and hence you will be prepared for your mains before you start for your prelims in December and January. So all the best.